Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to start a new makeup series that is the Sailor Moon inspired makeup, and in today's video I'm actually going to start with Sailor Moon because I thought that would be the one people would like to see the most. And I got my inspiration for this series first of all because I bought this really cool t-shirt a few months ago. So this is a t-shirt from Bershka and it's got all of the sailors, and I think the design is absolutely beautiful. And I was absolutely excited to start using this, but the weather was still a little bit cold, not anymore. And I'm also a really big geek and a fan of Sailor Moon anime, and I'm super excited for the new Sailor Moon Eternal that it's coming out in September. So I thought I would be doing this series, and I think I'm going to be doing it every other Monday, so stay tuned for that. Subscribe if you are new to my channel, and you can also follow me on Instagram. And I'm already starting with my base and my eyebrows done because it doesn't really matter for this look, but I think I'm going to do my eyes first. And I'm going to prime them with the Kiku Neutral Eye Base. And these looks are going to be inspired makeup. This is not meant to be a makeup transformation like a cosplay thing. I'm going to be basically basing myself on the colors that they wear, the color of the outfits. So for Sailor Moon, I'm thinking about the deep pink and also a few lighter pinks because she does have a very soft look, and also the navy blue. So to start, I'm going to use the Changeable Fantasy eyeshadow palette, but you can also use the Morphe X James Charles palette. And for this, I'm basically thinking about these three pinks and also this blue, but I think I'm also taking the Revolution Red Alert palette mainly for this pink shade in the center. I think it reminds me a lot of the pink on her outfit. So I'm starting with the baby pink, and I'm taking this to do kind of a very soft transition. And now I'm taking this shade from the Red Alert palette, and I'm taking this one on my crease. I think I'm just leaving some space to then apply a shimmer, but I actually don't think I'll need the other pinks from the Fantasy palette. I think this looks really nice. I think I'm just blending the top part with a little bit more of that baby pink. Now I'm taking this slightly deeper shade on a smaller brush to give a little bit of depth to the outer corner. And this one really reminds me of the color of her boots. This is just slightly darker than the other pink to give just a little bit of depth. Now I'm going to take a flat brush and I'm going to use this light pink shimmer on my lid. I'm also taking a little bit of setting spray. Okay, so the top part is done. Now for my lower lash line. I was really feeling this blue shimmer from the blue on her outfit, So I'm just taking that blue shade all over the lower lash line. And I think I'm just taking a very small bit of that baby pink to blend it. So for my waterline, I was initially thinking about a nude, but I think I'm actually going to take a blue to make that one pop even more. And this is the Kiko Lasting Precision Eyeliner and Kohl in the shade 07. And this one I think is not a look for an eyeliner, so I'm just going to do mascara, and I'm using the Kiko Standout Volume Buildable. Now to finish my face, I'm going to use the Revolution Reloaded bronzer in the shade Take a Vacation, and also the Revolution Reloaded blush in Ballerina that I think will really go nicely with the pink on the eyeshadow. This bronzer is kind of a more subtle one. I think that will look better with this look. Also, if my hair looks a little bit strange, that's because I cut it myself on Saturday. I think I actually did a nice job. And for highlighter, I'm using the Soap Revolution palette, and I'm going to take the pink shade and I'm also using this one for my inner corner and my brow bone. For my lips, I'm taking a pink matte liquid lipstick. I think it will go nicely with this look. And she also does seem to have kind of more pink lips. I'm using the Kiko Instant Color Matte in the shade 08. And this might actually not be a very light pink, but any pink lighter than this on my skin tone really doesn't look really nice. But I think I really like this one. So I'm just setting this look with the Kiko Prime and Fix Refreshing Mist. That does have some little glittery bits that I think will really go nicely with this. Okay, so here is a close-up of the eyes finished. I think these colors really remind me of the Sailor Moon outfit, and I think it's a soft look even though it's very colorful. And overall, this is the finished look inspired by Sailor Moon. As I mentioned, this is a very colorful look, even though I do think it's still very wearable. And as the intent of this series, this is only inspired makeup. It's not meant to be a cosplay transformation. I will definitely wear this kind of more colorful look in summer and even in spring. I think these colors are very fun. I didn't actually try to do anything with my hair because I'm really bad at doing buns, but you could probably try and do some space buns or something like that. And yeah, this is the finished look. If you liked it, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, it helps me a lot. And let me know in the comments down below. I was thinking of doing this Sailor Moon series kind of in order from the first seller to the last one to appear on the series, but let me know in the comments down below which seller you would like to see next and I can switch it up. And don't forget that I'm going to be doing these videos every other Monday, and by my counting I think this series will end almost in the end of September, so the new Sailor Moon movie will be out by then. And if you haven't already, then don't forget to subscribe to my channel for new videos like this every Monday and Thursday, and if you want to follow this series. And that is everything for today's video. Thanks so much for watching. Bye!